So I'm ready. So day before yesterday, what happened? I had an argument. It was a very serious argument. Yeah. Actually, I wanted to film a video, but I couldn't film due to bad weather. Yes. An argument was like this. He was telling me we don't use future imperfect tense, future progressive tense, and future perfect tense in day-to-day life conversation. Actually, I was practicing English on the phone and the application was Open Talk. I know many of you know, guys. So I will reveal the truth. Why this person telling me the truth? She is blissfully unaware of this. If we use future perfect tense, future progressive tense in life. Yeah. So my friend, we do use it, but there are some tutor. I have seen them on YouTube. They tell us you don't need to learn future imperfect tense, future perfect tense, because we don't use them in day-to-day life. So why you need to learn? But reality is something else. We use them. We use them so much in day-to-day life, provided that you should know. Yeah. So now I'll talk about how you can use future perfect tense. Yeah. Suppose that there is a friend, he came to meet you. Yes. And while talking to each other, he told you, by 5 o'clock, I will reach my home. Yeah. So when you watch your time, yes, and it is 5 o'clock, what will you say? Your friend is already left. See, my friend will have reached home because the time is 5 o'clock. This is how we use it. Or for instance, you are learning English. Suppose that you are learning English and you have made a goal, by 6 months you will learn English. Yes, you will become fluent. So what will you say? You have just started learning English. I will have very fluent in English. Not very fluent, you will have fluent, yes, by 6 months. This is how you will say. Or a company have given you a project to complete by Friday and it is Monday today. So you can say, I will have completed the project by Friday. Consider you are a freelancer. Yeah. So this is how we use, and we use it so much. The ones who know how to use, they keep on using it while speaking. Yeah. And the second tense was present progressive tense. Yeah. It is used very much. Yeah, it is used very much. Suppose that your friend wedding is on upcoming Friday and you are talking with your friends. Your friends are refusing to attend your friend's wedding. So you will say, I will be enjoying on wedding, I will be dancing with my friend, I will be having nice meal with my friends. This is how you can say. Or you are going to New Delhi and you will be thinking, yes, you may think, I will be enjoying my journey, I will be talking with newly people. This is how you can use it. It is very simple, very, very simple. It presents that you are going to enjoy your life in future. So this is This is how it is used. Anyway, she doesn't know how to use. I repeatedly, yes, tried to explain her. Look, it is extremely useful tense, but majority of the people are perfectly unaware. They are painfully unaware how to use it. And then when they are not being able to use, in this case, they say these two tense are utterly useless. Don't learn them. So this was the thing. In reality, it is used very much. Now I will again say, sky is getting cloudy, and in next 5 to 6 minutes it will be raining. Look, just now I have used it. You have to understand. So this was the thing. And my friend, if I spoke quickly, please leave a comment. Yes, should I spoke this quickly or I should spoke slowly? I often speak very fast. I'm working on it, and sooner or later I will definitely gain control over my modulation. Yeah, sometime I speak very repeatedly and sometime I become very slow.